Hi guys, it's very simple to change your account type to a creator account in Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the Instagram and tap on the profile icon on the bottom side, and then tap on the edit profile icon. So tap on the edit profile and then scroll it down until you find switch to professional account. So you need to tap on that and then continue and again continue. So now you need to select any of these, like which matches your destiny or works. So for my case, digital creator, I will select that, and you can tap on the display on profile as well. Then you need to tap on the done button and it will take some time to load. And then here we go. So are you a creator? If you are going to create a creator account, you need to tap on the creator and then tap on next. And there you have it. There, now from now on you got a Instagram creator account. So now just tap on the continue, again continue and finish adding. So that's how you can simply add the, now cross it, and you got the digital creator account Instagram. So that's how you can switch your personal Instagram account to a creator account. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works, and I will catch you guys in the next one.